Coming to the Wee Malkies by Stephen Mulrine. Oh, missus, what'll ye do when the wee Malkies come? If they dreep down after the Washhouse dyke and put the hems in the stairhead light and play wee headies on the clean close wall. Missus, what'll ye do? What'll ye do when the wee Malkies come? If they chap your door and chop your drains and caw the feet for your sapsy wains, tumble the walkies through your sheets and tim their ashes out in the streets. Missus, what'll ye do when the wee Malkies come? If they chuck their screw taps down the pan and stick the heat on the sanitary man. And when you hear them shochling down your lobby chanting, "Wee Malkies, the game's a bogey." Oh, missus, what will ye do?